Let's go look for the squash. Shall we go look for the squash? We have to leave it for him. The stem so it can ripen. So we're going to have to make a good cut around here. Goodbye. And we're going to cut it. Once everything is ready and there's plenty extra, we make a nice little cut. This ripe one is amazing and you don't have to. We're going to have to dry it a little more. We'll start putting it in the sun here. You can move it along if you want. Very good. Wow, look at this. Look.
It's awesome. It's bigger than the other one.
I'll take this one. Let's see.
Put it there.
This one is awesome.
It's bigger than that one. Goodbye, Paloma. Yes.
It's beautiful. There's another big one over there.
Ah, that's great. This is my favorite day. Yes, yes, yes. Phew, there's a huge one over there.
Yes, can you meet it? Do you know? Yes, yes, go ahead.
Goodbye. It's heavy. Look. Isn't this one that heavy?
Look there, bring your face closer to the stick. What's wrong, Noonie?
Aren't the pumpkins heavy when you lift them?
Yes? It's a little bit heavier. Look. There's a giant one here.
It's not like the others.
Wow, look at that. Wow, wow. It's huge. Hey, oh, that's heavy.
Oh, let me see. Look, I'm already carrying it. It's really heavy. No, huh? It's not there?
What a hard hat. Heavier than the wheelbarrow. bigger than the others.
Look, look, look. It's okay. It's okay.
What do you think?
What a shame. It's fine and ripe, but it's bugged. Look, listen.
I don't know about the rest. Are you going to be able to use this part? Does it hurt you? Is there another one?
I am covered in juice.
Ouch! It's a pull. When I fell there. It was a...
What?
60.
That is a giant pumpkin. However, here is a...
More. Ah, look! Here's a huge one. This one is really heavy. I'm already hot. I was freezing, now I'm hot. I had lost the scissors. Oh, it's beautiful. Whew. Shoot, shoot. Shoo, 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 shoo. Lightning strikes it. Look, let go. What monsters, huh?
And this, and this. And this, is it hard? Oh, its stem broke. Doesn't matter, I'll open a green one to show you. This one is pretty. Look, yes, it's beautiful. I'm going to try to put it there. Do you know what vibe makes you disappear now? This one. This one is a little green. The good thing about this harvest is that they caught it. Some of them caught it. About 3 frosts more or less, and that gives it a nice flavor. But what works a little against it is that it didn't finish. It didn't have enough time, maybe, to get really good. Naranjon, let's see. I'm going to cut here because I'm going to cut this one since it broke when I harvested it. I want to show you. It's unripe squash, lacking color. So what we're going to do? To ripen properly, it must stay attached to the stem. I opened this one to show you because it broke and wouldn't ripen further. Leave it attached to the stem and keep it lifted off the ground. Always keep them a little bit apart from each other. And it's usually stored. Ideally, you should take it out, if you want, for a bit of sun and put it back inside at night. Or keep them sheltered to prevent frost in areas where it's common. In Buenos Aires, for example, where frosts don't occur, we can leave them outside. In fact, let it get some sun, let it ripen, let it turn orange. And once it turns orange, then you can move it to a dark place or a more sheltered spot. Keep it out of the sun, in a cool and dry place with no humidity, and also lift it off the ground. It can last a whole year if stored in crates. That's what makes it such an amazing food. This one? It's even harder to cut because the skin gets tougher and inside it's riper. See? This is the color. This is the color of a squash that's not only ripe but also delicious. And this is because it ripened more, and it was exposed to frost. So this squash has a sweet flavor that drives you crazy. It's truly exquisite. But we can see the difference from the one I just showed you. If we open this green one, it would be like the other. So what we do is put it out in the sun so it ripens with the stem, and then bring it in at night so it doesn't get any more frost. Because if it keeps getting frost over and over, what will happen is that they'll get soft and start to rot.